Hi Purav, happy birthday. I hope you like this video. And the reason I'm making this video is because it would remain with you forever as a memory where I am sharing things that I want to tell you. I want to wish you a happy birthday. Secondly, I want to thank you for a lot of things that you've done for me. Thanking you for choosing me, being with me, taking care of me, loving me, and always being supportive. I don't know what would I have done without you. I keep telling you that also, that we both are each other's backbones. We support each other in everything. We are always there for each other, and that's the relation I want from you, and I expect from me, and we both are similar in doing that. I wish I do your birthday nicely and you enjoy it.
What's up, Mutti? Guess where I'm sitting again? I am back on the hot seat. Yeah, this was the fourth time, but even though there's a lot of pressure, I'm happy to be doing this, and sharing the love via video. Our friendships have seen a lot of highs, man. Since we were early teenagers, from the crazy hairdos and the parties we did, to the early on Lonavala trips that we made and played things like Kitty Kitty Coming, and had group dash sessions that I cannot reveal. To our early 20s, where we partied a lot in Privé and the float parties, and then we got mixed up in some crazy stuff during the EDM times. There's a lot that we did, man, and all these memories are awesome, and I don't think I can share all of them. But something that I would like to share right now is that, bro, you're an amazing friend. You are such an amazing friend that you are amazing friends to our parents as well. It's such a rare quality, to be so close to all our family also, which is amazing. You're an amazing brother. You're an amazing mama also now. So, you kind of have this personality that you can kind of connect with everyone, which is awesome about you and which I very love. So with that, I would like to wish you a very happy birthday. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be next to you celebrating in one way or the other. So I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, man, have a great day and have a great year ahead. So peace.
Hi, Manpuri. Wish you a very, very, very happy 31st birthday, man. I wish you all the love and happiness in this world
and good health.
and good
But
health.
happy birthday, Purya! Okay, let me talk now. Happy birthday, Purya! I love you. You're one of my closest friends, and I hope that continues for the next 30 years. Can't wait to have you and Shikes visit us in Chennai and make a trip to Pondi or wherever. Point is to be together. And I think the most epic thing about you is your laughter, which is mad infectious because it obviously is abnormal and goes like, yeah. Okay, I really can't do it because you're the expert. But anyway, I hope you have the best day. I hope Shik spoils you silly. And I love you. Have a good one. Cheers.
See you, man. Have an
Bye.
amazing one. Love you too. Take care.
Hi Puri, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, brother. Have a mad one. Kill it.
Have a mad birthday, and I'm so excited for all the celebrations that are going to be coming ahead of us. I'm so happy for you, Puri. Have the best birthday ever. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Purav. It's your 31st birthday, and we have to wish you. And in the video, we have to remember any special memory or incident that we share. But we have just too many to actually put down in a video. I think the video would be never ending. But I just want to know, I love our rapport. I love this bond that we share, that we are forever pulling each other's legs, and the liberties we take with each other, nobody else takes with us. And that's what makes our bond special. But of course, there's so much more to what our friendship means to us. You are one of the most important people in our lives, and we cherish you. You're more than a friend, you're almost family. And now you are going to become family. You're going to become an uncle to our incoming child, so get ready for the added responsibilities. Love you and have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Mutti. So I'm gonna try to make this as short as possible. Starting off by directly saying that you're not a friend, you're more like a brother only to me. You're more like an agony aunt. You're more like someone who is the source to all the gossip for me. And most over, you've always been there for me, bro. And I really appreciate that. I don't think there is anyone else who can ever take your place in my life. and I don't really have one specific incident because I think that would do the injustice, to our past. So I just want to say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pura, my brother. I honestly can't sum up with the funny anecdotes about life. The only thing which comes to my mind is our so-called black days, which were SEC and Barista. From there, being clueless, and you commencing a new journey in few months. Trust me, bro, we have come a long way. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Happy birthday once again, brother, and all the best.
Happy 31st Puri. Have the best one. Make it special as it's going to be the last one as a single man. Although life is only going to get better year on. So yes, have a blast. And I can't wait for more combined parties thrown by Bubs and you on your birthday specifically. So yes, not this year, but I'm looking forward to some more of those parties next year. So anyway, until then, have a blast, enjoy the surprise, and enjoy all that attention you're getting today. Bye.
أهلين حبيبي السلام عليكم كيف حالك my friend. I want to wishing you very very happy birthday. I wish you and have a very nice time with the party and the girls and the friends. لا تقفي عليك حول الحمد لله. I also want to make song for you. تمام تعاتو تمام. I will tell you full song later. Happy birthday.
Hi Pura, wish you a happy 31st birthday. I hope this birthday is not as boring as this lockdown is actually making it for everyone. I hope Shikha is planning something fabulous for you apart from this video, obviously.
Mutti, my boy, happy birthday. Happy 31st birthday. Hope you have a great day and hope you like this video. One memory I would want to share with you is that your day doesn't go without pulling my leg or taking my case. But I get upset, I am irritated, but in some way I like it. So happy birthday.
Also, do you remember the times when you used to hug me and dance and try to make Rishit jealous? I think now Rishit should try that with you.
Ah, yes.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Have lots of
birthday.
fun.
Have fun.
Bye.
Mutti, happy birthday, brother. Have a crazy birthday. I'm sure Shikha must have planned some crazy surprise for you. And I'm done. You want some?
So here's wishing my brother from another mother, my first best friend, my childhood buddy, my love, my nigga, a very, very happy 31st birthday, bro. I wish you have a good one, a safe one. And I really hope to see you soon, man. It's been a very long time. And let's party hard when we catch up. And yep, looking forward to your wedding, bro. Have a good day, bro.
Hi, Purav. Wishing you a very happy birthday, bro.
Many happy returns of the day to our gossip queen. Purav, stay the way you are. May God bless you with lots of love, luck, happiness and success.
And also, bro, mark this point. Please make the most of your last single birthday.
Happy birthday, P. Wishing you lots and lots of gossip this year so that we can hear it from you. Happy quarantine and happy single birthday from G to P.
Happy birthday, Puri. So it's your 31st. Now you're no more entering the decade. You've properly entered it. Age is just a number, and I'm sure by now you've figured that out. I've had an incredible journey with you. I've known you for 15 years. And when I think of you, I've got lots and lots and lots of memories with me. Starting with the few of the very funny and embarrassing ones are when I got to know Purav. So as we all know, Purav has always had an A-class fashion sense. And back then also he did, where he used to wear these Ram Kaka check shirts and carry his badminton racket and dirty faded track pants. And I would just be like, what are you wearing? Not like I was really fashionista types back then. But that is one very, very evident memory that I have of Purav. because that's where our journey began, when we were so beautiful. And second is, I don't know if you remember this, we were at a party and there was someone who had a speech problem, like a stammering problem, which you were not aware of. And you have made fun of that person, imitated that person right in front of her husband and her. And I'm standing there and I'm like, oh my God, you just ruined it. But end of the day, that's you. So I hope you remember who I'm talking about. Standing there and I'm like, oh my God, you just ruined it. But end of the day, that's you. So I hope you remember who I'm talking about. And a memory which I will always remember is that at this very, very difficult time of mine, you have been there like a rock for me, which you've never been. But that one moment, you were my biggest support system, and I will never ever forget that. I will always appreciate you for that. And irrespective where life takes us, you always know I'm always there for you no matter what. Because I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, brother. What do you even say? You've literally grown up together when you're nothing less than brothers. From all the crazy times while traveling for baddie matches and sitting in the library to give our exams, to the epic parties and card gym sessions. I mean, there are countless memories and stories to tell. We've really seen it all. But anyway, good luck. Can't wait for you to get married now. And see you soon, bro. Happy birthday again. Cheers.
Hi, happy birthday to my true coach. Thank you for all your encouragement and hard work to improve my game. I really wish and pray to God that you get the ultimate success and happiness in your life. Bye.
Happy birthday, Purav. Have an amazing one. Love you.
Happy birthday, Puri. Love you so much. Well, my favorite memory with you definitely is the one in Lonavala. The first time when we went to Lonavala, and I remember how drunk I got, and the whole time you were making sure I'm okay. You were feeding me, giving me water. You were literally taking care of me like a brother, and I think that was so sweet. Love you so much. Can't wait to celebrate and get drunk again with you. And love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Purav.
Happy birthday, Purav.
We are missing you guys. We hoping that we were there with you celebrating.
Have fun. Have a great year ahead. We'll see you soon.
We are going to celebrate here on behalf of you, and then we'll see you super soon, hopefully.
See you.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Purav. It's been so long that we actually haven't met. I think now we all should really meet because it's actually been long, and technically all were supposed to be married by now, but I have been waiting and I really want to dance on Bole Chudiya now. But yeah, like I'm so happy that Shikha got like a guy like you who's very caring, who can who does anything for her, handles her tantrums. Honestly, like it's very difficult to find such guys, like dude milte hi nahi hai yaar, but I'm so happy she actually found the one, and I couldn't really be happier. I'm really gonna have a shot on your birthday. Just take care of her, and dude, guys, yeah, like I hope things get normal and corona fucking goes away, because I really want y'all to go for, like, I want y'all to go for a honeymoon. Like, I don't want y'all to like not go. Yeah, that's it. Take care, and have a shot from my side too. Okay, have a good day, and I hope you have an amazing year ahead.
Putte! Yes, wishing you a very happy birthday, bro. Hope you enjoy your day. Stay safe. Let's meet soon and party soon.
About the most stupidest thing ever, and we can secretly bitch about my sister. So I have like a close confidant right now with you. So
I hope you have an amazing year ahead. And God bless you, Purav. This is your 31st birthday, and I really want to warn you for the storm coming in your life. And I'm really happy that you're part of our family now, and you're like the brother I never had. And I'm really fortunate that we can.
Purav, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Sorry you had to be quarantined this year, but I'm sure this is also going to be fun, and you anyways find your ways of partying.
Wishing you a happy birthday, Purav. I'm sure Friday, Saturday, Sunday is going to be a rocking one. Enjoy a party, keep partying, and have fun. So, Hani,
Happy birthday, Mamu.
happy birthday, Mamu.
Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Mamu. Say happy birthday, Mamu. Happy birthday. Okay.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Purav. Have an amazing year ahead. We are so happy to have you as part of our family. Sending you love always.
Happy birthday, Purav. Have a nice birthday. Let's party soon. Cheers.